Hello guys, and good morning, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Cash Building System Unlimited and the benefits of a list. In the last video we talked about the Cash Building System Unlimited and why you should get a website to speed up your results. Today we're going to be talking about the benefits of building that list. One of the most important ways of securing your business is to have an email list. This list represents those who are true followers of your business and they trust the information that you give them. No matter what kind of marketing you do, from paid marketing or organic traffic through social media posts or videos, building that list is going to be the backbone of your business. Having that list is also a safety net when the algorithm changes on whatever platform you're using. And as you know, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, Pinterest, and so many others, the algorithm changes sporadically. Why? I have absolutely no idea. I never figured it out. I've been in the internet marketing space for many years, and I've heard and seen successful businesses making 6 figures a month to almost zero overnight due to algorithm changes. What saved a lot of businesses from tanking was the email list they built with their business. And I know a lot of people were sweating because there were a lot of people, I kid you not, that really lost their business. I remember, I don't know if you guys ever seen it on the news, when YouTube had changed the algorithm and some of the influencers went from making 6 figures a month down to maybe like $38 a month. And I don't know if it was a man or a woman that got really, I think it was a woman. She was really upset by that and tried to go talk to the YouTube executives, and she couldn't get in to speak with them, and she wound up shooting someone on the YouTube campus, as well as killing herself as a result of losing that money. Others had to actually close up shop because they didn't see the importance of building a list. If they would have built a list like other people, they would have still been able to maintain their business. And see, when you're on YouTube and you just depend solely on that, what is that, when the commercials play on YouTube, and you depend on that money, and that's the main thing, only thing you depend on, that's not smart. That's not multiple streams of income. You're solely depending on YouTube paying you, which to me is just like having another job, because you're solely dependent on those commercials to pay you, and you have nothing else going on. And for the amount of followers that she had, it really shouldn't have been no excuse, even if the algorithm had changed with YouTube, why she didn't have other means of income coming in. Big mistake. When you see opportunities like the Cash Building System Unlimited and wonder how others are able to see results quicker than me or you, it's because, you want to know why? It's because they have that list. It's because they have an email list that they're able to, like, once they look at the opportunity and they feel like they would love to join the opportunity, and they, start off with the opportunity and dabble in it for a little bit, they'll send what they'll do is they'll send an email blast out to their list. And when they send that email blast, because these are people who's already true followers of theirs and already believe and trust what they're saying, they're going to jump on it. And those people are going to start seeing results quicker because they had that email list. They don't have to wait for mailing of the postcard, even though they're still going to mail the postcards. But because they have that list, they can see their money coming much quicker than those of us like myself who don't have an email list as of yet. I do have a small list of about 100, but I just started building it. So, it's a small list, but I'm going to keep going with it. When they send that blast, people begin to sign up. Again, like I said, why? Because people believe in what they're offering. I mean, can you imagine that, having a list of people that trust you? And when you're like, okay, hey, I have an opportunity. I think this would be beneficial to the people on my list. I think they can benefit from this. I think they can make good money with this. I've already tried it. Here are some of the things I'm implementing. I can take this knowledge that I have and send it on to the people that follow me. The thing about having a list is that you have to nurture that list. You also have to be careful and be sure that you're not giving information to your list that you don't believe in yourself. One of the reasons why email conversion rates are higher is because there's no convincing involved, and the people buy from those they know, trust, and believe. It's like you're a trusted brand with your list. All of this might be new to some of you, and others have probably never really, understood or heard of a landing page. And basically, what a landing page does is that it captures the person's name and email in return for information, downloads, products, what have you. If you are interested in building a landing page, then you need to check out My Capture page. This is a photo of the My Capture page. I had just joined this because I think it's very simple for newbies, anybody that's starting out who are not tech savvy. I feel I am tech savvy to an extent, uh, but I have dealt with other um, list building pages to build capture pages, and they can be a bit cumbersome at times. No kidding. This The My Capture page has a pre-built landing page for the Cash Building System Unlimited, which I think is amazing. The page has already been built. There's only a few little things that you would have to do in the back office to set it up so that it will go directly to your website. My Capture page is great because it takes away the technical issues of building a landing page from scratch. And I will be doing a tutorial on My Capture page so that you can see how easy it is to set up. And I don't know if you've seen, but the price of this page, guys, hold on, wait a minute. I think I might have listed it. No, I didn't. Let's go back. Right here. Here's the price of the page. It is only $19 a month, guys. That's phenomenal. $19 a month. And what's also crazy about this is that they have so many more lead capture pages that you can use with any business. And if you sign up to any other businesses, they also have a lead capture page in here. Like I said, I will do a tutorial and give you behind the scenes and into the entire website so that you can see exactly what it is that they have to offer and how versatile this the My Capture page really is. Okay. In the meantime, if you are truly serious about building a business, then click the link in the description box below. It's time to sign up for the Cash Building System Unlimited and also sign up for the My Capture page. Guys, let's get started. Let's start making this money. Let's make 2020 about building generational wealth. No more trading hours for dollars. Okay? Guys, again, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another one of my videos.